Hi guys, today's the morning of the Ahtahkakoop Rally 2025. Just loading up, bringing both machines this time because brute force, it's running good. It's just running a little bit hot, so I bled the cooling system. We'll see if that helps. It seems like there's no bubbles in the system, so we should be good there. But in the meantime, we're gonna bring the Honda just in case. It's running pretty good. The only thing is that it does have a sputter on it. I'm thinking it might be the CDI box that's kind of wearing out on it, but it runs really good. It's nice and watertight, so we're gonna bring this just in case. But yeah, see you guys at the unloading point. Hi. It is.
All those big ones look that way.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Nope. That's rank. I know, I gotta keep like blurring out the swear words whenever I film you. That beep, beep, straight beep. Belt? What's that?
Because if you go through there, it's going to be all rutted up.
Yeah, I might have to go in the middle, eh?
I'm going to go probably right where this guy is on our,
yeah.
on our right.
Coming, keep coming. Come on. Oh yeah. You're the one that talk. Yeah. I know, I just stuck the whole way through, just came right across. Not deep, eh? Not bad, not bad. Boys, not good. Ah, damn. Yeah, that's an axle, all right. Well, at least I know the weak point now. Rear axles I'm gonna need next. I think I'm gonna head back.
Did you break it already?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Rear axle. It's popped.
It was the front last year, wasn't it?
I didn't break one last year.
No?
I never broke an axle on this thing.
Well, you did now.
Oh, I did now. Yeah. Unless I go grab the Honda.
I'm calling it Veronica.
Turn the fuel on. I was wondering why it was sputtering there for a sec. nice too. Oh fuck yeah. What's that?
Started getting slushy where I was.
I know, yeah, just I felt it and then I let off the gas. This thing just lifted up by its own. Mine. Yeah. My plan B. Huh? It's like the pill. Gotta have one, eh? Did you hear it?
Oh, you good?
Did you hear that? That's the biggest slap too, frick. That starts, guy. And quick little winch out. On to the next. On to the next, eh? On to the next.
The next day.
Alright guys, sorry about the windy conditions, but it's the day after the Ahtahkakoop Rally. And I thought I'd just update you guys because I'm not sure where we ended off on the last or earlier in the video, just because the cameras were kind of acting up. But if you guys look over there, that is the Honda stranded. So just kind of turn long story short, blew a rear axle on the brute force, and I thought it'd be a good idea to grab the Honda and finish up the rally. So this spot is currently about, I don't know, 2 or 3 kilometers from the halfway point. And this hole, the Honda lost the swing arm completely. So it's attached by the shock still. And I'm just waiting on a few guys, a few of the boys, just to come out here and help out and see if they can bring it out. Or at least tow it back right to the trailer here. So I think what we can do is just tow it back just like that. Worst case scenario, we might have to unhook the shock from the swing arm and just slide it out just like that. I don't know. We'll see how it is when we get there. But yeah, that's the problem. Is that's kind of a mucky, sticky hole over there. So we might have just to go around this way and possibly meet them in the corner there. But we'll see. We'll see. But we got the trailer already. We got a bunch of tools and straps and everything. So we'll see what they get here. See what they say. So after a little bit of thinking, we just unhooked top shock mount. So I think what we're gonna do is just lift the back end up, put it on the XMR, and just go around. So we'll see. All right. So quick update. Strapped it to the back of the Outlander, tied the handlebars so it stays straight, and we currently got the back axle being towed, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah! Alright, mission accomplished. Good thing this trailer tilts, really saved the day. Stuffed the rear axle in the front, strapped her down. Thank you guys for the help.
Success!
Well, Uncle's always willing to help out, so we're good. Mission accomplished. And see you guys in the next video.
I ain't a one-trick pony, got a whole bag of magic. The snare, kick, hat, sample, and raps all matching. Fashion and style forever getting better at it. The seventh letter replay to authentic pen.